What happens to your body when you're running every day? Running is a simple and incredibly beneficial form of physical activity that is very accessible. Starting to run regularly can be difficult, but if you persevere, you'll reap many benefits. You will be happier. According to studies, a 30-minute run is enough to lift the mood of someone suffering from a depressive disorder. You don't need to sprint either. This effect is observed even in those jogging at a walking pace. Moreover, with prolonged running, your body releases endorphins, leading to the exhilarating runner's high. Caloric burn. Running burns significant calories. For instance, a 70-kilogram runner will burn 20 calories per minute at a moderate pace. In half an hour, that amounts to 366 calories. If you challenge yourself by running against the wind, uphill, or accelerating, you'll burn even more. Strong knees. Contrary to popular belief, running benefits knee health. Studies have shown that runners experience less knee pain than non-runners. This is because running aids in maintaining a healthy body mass index and fortifying leg muscles and bones. The repetitive impact of running bolsters the muscles, tendons, and ligaments, making them more robust. Activities like walking or swimming without such impact won't strengthen your muscles and bones as effectively as running. Healthy heart. Aerobic exercises like running boost the cardiovascular system. You don't have to run long distances either. Just 10 minutes of slow jogging daily can decrease the risk of heart diseases. Brain efficiency. If memory lapses like forgetting yesterday's lunch or misplacing keys sound familiar, it's time to lace up and run. Aerobic exercises that elevate your heart rate have been scientifically proven to enhance brain functions. Improved sleep. A study discovered that individuals who ran at a moderate pace at least 5 times a week for 30 minutes began to sleep better. This not only has inherent benefits, but also results in a better mental state. Boosted immunity. Running doesn't just improve cardiovascular health and sleep. Regular aerobic exercise of 30 minutes or more also lowers the risk of death from various cancers. Toned body. Running engages the most significant muscles in our body, especially those in the lower half. Regular running can tone your thighs, calves, and glutes. It also engages core muscles, ensuring an all-around workout. Safe running tips. To avoid injuries, invest in good running shoes. Regular footwear doesn't offer the same protection. Increase your running intensity slowly. Mix up your training with activities like swimming or cycling. Work on various muscle groups. Warm up before and cool down after every run. Consider hiring a coach to correct your technique. Street versus treadmill. Where should you run? While psychologically, running outdoors feels more liberating, several factors come into play. If you live in a polluted area, indoor treadmill running in a gym with filtered air might be healthier. However, if a park is nearby, outdoor running can provide fresh air and a varied landscape, making the experience more enjoyable. By the way, friends, drop a comment below. Do you run? And which do you prefer, street or treadmill? I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel. Here are 2 more videos you should check out. Both of them will definitely help you reach your goals.